Hi guys, welcome to Trip Check and the boyfriend has been telling us ngithenge.
I don't know, but this is a designer dress. Iwash ngalo visa, uyithanda kulelo visa. I think jewelry kilo visa. Taxi rank. Ngiyadala ngazi ukuthi all the shoes that this is Galaxy Boy.
At least I tell us something right.
Oh, Lovisa.
Yeah.
And hair done by Azande Hair and Beauty, definitely. And the hat is made by me.
Hat?
Yes.
Which hat?
This one.
Ah.
Yes, it's made by me.
Nami baby, ikhanda imina, ibuko. Yes. I don't know, but ugqoke into ezintsha bacekeceke ngitshela guys.
Standard procedure. Always.
You
What's
look
happening?
good.
Huh?
You look good.
You look fabulous.
Thank you.
Ungafaka inhliziyo ngoba ube extra nje.